Hello everyone, this is Consumer Tech Guy. This will be the first video of this channel, and let's get to it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. I'm going to be unboxing the BlackVue over the cloud Dashcam. This actually been sitting in the house for a while now, and I'm just finally about to, well, it's been open already, but I'm finally about to go through the stuff. But yeah, so it's full HD 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Front, that's the front camera. It actually comes with a back camera, which is actually pretty awesome. And the rear camera is HD 1280 by 720 at 30 frames per second. Has a high quality Sony Exmor CMOS sensor that's built-in GPS, G sensor, and Wi-Fi. It also has loop recording and intelligent parking mode. Basically for when it does the event recording notices that gets sent to your phone or your computer. It has support for micro SD up to 128 gigabytes, and it has enhanced rear camera control, I guess, from the front camera. Low power consumption, and you can, like I said, download the app so you can control it with your phone, and download the viewer for your computer. And then you can also have, well, not have, but it also comes with over the cloud storage for free. So this is the box. See, this is what the front one looks like and the rear one. So I'm about to open it. So this is the front camera. Comes with the adhesive so you can put it on your windshield. Usually with the dash cams you mount them behind the rear view mirror, and then as you can see it's adjustable. So you mount on the windshield, and then you adjust it to so it'll point towards the front of the car, showing what's in front of the car. This is the rear camera. Same thing. You mount it on to the back windshield, and then it's adjustable so you can move it to so it will be pointing towards the back of the street, back of the car at the street. My bad. And then it was sending these little comfort holders so it won't get damaged. Take this out. When you take that out, you have the instructions on how to operate it and how to install it into the car. And I see it has the stuff for the apps. And then in the bottom of the box you have the accessories. In the accessories box, you have the power cable that plugs into the cigarette lighter port. Sticker to register for the cloud service. The cable that runs from the front camera to the back camera so that you can have control over the back camera. The warranty information. And then all the different mounting stuff. And so you can say if you remove the camera from your windshield and decide to put in another car, it comes with extra mountings. And then the clips for the cable so you can run the cable all the way to the back of your car. And so you can run the cable for the power cable so it won't be all over the place. And then the thing to install the micro SD card into the computer so you can look at stuff on the camera. And that's basically it. So once I get this installed inside of a car, I will give y'all a review. And for now, that is the unboxing the BlackVue over the cloud dash cam. Until next time,